Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Aaron here with us this afternoon. And Aaron came all the way here from Las Vegas, Nevada to see us here in Houston because he's been having some really severe lower back pain that's been debilitating, you said, right?
Definitely.
Like you couldn't hardly get down the stairs this morning, you said.
That's right.
And he's had that now for how long?
I'd say a couple of years.
A couple of years now, so that makes it a chronic condition. Now, something interesting that we're going to be doing with Aaron today that a lot of you Houstonians will be suffering from is sinus problems. So we have a lot of allergies and sinus problems this time of year here in Houston. Yep. And you've got a lot of allergy issues and sinus problems with your
absolutely
sinuses. In fact, I can hear you barely able to breathe through your nose right now. It's hard, isn't it?
It's very hard.
Okay, so we're going to work on those for you today, too. So let's go have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards. I've already done his exam and history and everything, which y'all don't need to know. That's none of your business. So, see, he's got forward head posture, though, quite a bit. You can see how his head's kind of pointing down, his ears all the way out here in front of his clavicle. Should be back here over his shoulders. Take a look at that in the mirror. Now, don't move. So you lifted your head up again.
That's right.
You see how you're doing that?
Right.
You see how your head's forward and off to the right?
Right.
Now down here, your pelvis is shifted to the right of center as well. You have very little room here compared to a lot of room over here. Mm-hmm. So that means you got a scoliosis or curvature of the spine there. So what made you decide to come here to Houston for chiropractic care? They got a lot of chiropractors in Vegas.
Yeah, but there's only one ring dinger here.
Yeah. That's lay on you. Tell me. All right. Couldn't have said that better myself. Okay, see his right leg shorter by 1/2 inch in this position. Now when I bring it up, it actually gets longer by 1/2 inch, and that tightens up in Aaron's low back and thighs, doesn't it, Aaron?
Yes, sir.
And his right SI joint's painful when I palpate it right there.
Yep.
And I had him do a sacral deviation test too. Go ahead and lift that whole right leg up. Yeah, that's hard to do. Okay, same thing on the left. See, it was harder for him to do that. So he has a right sacral deviation and a right SI joint subluxation complex going on. He's also got L5 subluxated posteriorly, retrolestis, L4, L3, all these up here, all the way up into his upper lumbar spine. So I'm going to start off adjusting his SI joints first. Some of these will be a little sore at first, Aaron, just because they've been out for so long. People instinctively know when they need that ring dinger. Is that what brought you here?
Yeah, definitely.
There you go, boy. Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Whew.
Yeah.
Crackhead's gonna love you. There we go. Let's turn you on your back now.
All right.
We got some guy wanting to come down here and interview me about crack addicts. So what's the big appeal? It actually releases chemicals into your brain that cause a relaxing effect in your brain. Just put your arms out to the side, face the palms up. Okay. Slide down just a little bit, please. There you go. Adjusting your shoulders, your clavicles, your ribs up here. So that'll help you breathe easier too. There, okay. You can relax your hands right there on your tummy. Scoot back up this way a little bit, please, sir. Okay, now this is going to be pretty painful, but it's going to feel better when I get done. Feel better when it quits hurting. Take a deep breath through your nose. I'm just applying some really deep pressure along his base of his zygomatic process, which is where his maxillary sinuses are. Another deep breath through your nose. another deep breath through the nose. Tender, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, deep breath in. These are the sphenoid sinuses. Okay, deep breath in. That's already better. Deep breath in. Notice how you're breathing easier?
Mm-hmm.
Now, keep breathing through your nose deep in. These are the frontal sinuses. And I'm just applying a direct pressure over them. I'm not getting into the sinuses or treating any sinus disease processes. I'm doing musculoskeletal work on him that will affect his sinuses in a positive way. Another deep one. Well, that's the best I've heard so far.
Yep.
Now these guys probably gonna be a little sore right here too. Alright. I just had to do that. Okay. Just lay there, breathe and relax. See, how am I supposed to relax after that? There you go. I love doing that to Renee. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's have you sit up and face that way for me.
Make me cry.
Yeah. You can tell who's the drama queen in our family. Huh?
Really?
Yeah.
What did you rent this weekend?
Well, that wasn't drama queen. That was the need for speed.
Okay.
I rented a Lamborghini this past week for our vacation.
Very nice.
Yeah, it was fun. I didn't want to go spend $280,000, so I just went and rented one.
There you go.
Got my fill of my need for speed, and
And get it over
then a
with.
week's of vacation, and then say back to my Lexus.
Nothing wrong with that.
That's right. Okay, let's come over here on this table now, Aaron.
Alright.
Put these guys here. I'm gonna have you put your butt on this pad. Head up this way, please, sir.
Okay.
There you go. Aaron travels all over the world. He's over in Thailand here too. He couldn't get in before he went to Thailand, he said.
Nope. Wish I could have.
I love that shirt. I need to get a copy of that. Hey, if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask someone else. We can say that to a lot of people, huh, Renee?
Yeah.
Okay, just relax your legs. Not you guys, though, our crack addict fans.
Yeah.
We love y'all. We love all our patients, too. So we get some really weird emails from people wanting us to treat them for free and... Okay, relax. I bet you they don't go out and roof houses for free. If they're a roofer, what do you bet?
That was beautiful.
Should have felt that all the way down.
Oh yeah. That there was beautiful.
Did good.
We're not even done yet. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man.
Yes, sir?
Woo.
And looky there, you still kicking too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You got all my lines down, don't you?
Oh man. I probably watch this more than TV.
That's a true crack addict, man. I'm happy to have you here. Okay, let's come sideways this way over here in front of the mirror. Let me help you up. There we go. Okay. Right here. And I'm going to have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards facing the mirror for me.
Okay.
There you go. Back to neutral. Take a look now. See, you're not tilted for the right as badly?
Yeah, I didn't move
And
my
you
head.
got more space over here now.
Okay.
So here's your homework. You're going to pull both shoulders up and back.
Okay.
Flare these like this. Now see, you're jutting your head forward. We don't want to do that. We want to come straight back. Yours is a little bit right. So we're going to go left, see? Look in the mirror.
Okay.
Now, look backwards at the wall behind you. Yes, sir? Yep. All right, now relax and try that same motion again, flexion forward and backwards, and tell me if you feel any difference in the range of motion here in the
Definitely.
smoothness of
Yeah.
that movement. Take a look at the mirror right now.
A lot easier.
You're right down the middle too. Look at the spacing now. See how we evened that out?
Definitely.
Breathe through your nose for it. That's a lot better.
That's huge.
So this is your first visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, Aaron. You flew all the way here from Las Vegas to do this.
Yep.
And you said you came here because we only one does the original ring dinger.
That's right.
And did this meet your expectations?
It exceeded my expectations. I mean,
Okay.
I can't get anything to snap, crackle, and pop like this. So
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
This is better than a specific adjustment
Right.
just right here in one spot.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's the whole full meal deal.
This is the full shebang.
Yep. Well, thank you for sharing your
Thank you.
experience with everyone,
Appreciate it.
Aaron. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we adjust everything on your body from head to toe, literally. We'll see y'all soon.